Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a duck very nicely and easily. So we can start the drawing from the top. Let's follow all the instructions and the style of the drawing. Then it is going to be easy for you. Now I am drawing the head or the front portion of the duck. It has a tall neck, you can see. After drawing this one, then I am going to the body part of the duck. Each of the animals and the birds, it has a particular shape, and if you follow the steps of those shape, then this is going to be that particular bird only, and the drawing is going to be nice. All right, so see, the basic shape of the duck is already given here, and now we are going to draw the legs. Okay, it has three long projections from the main leg, and it's just jointed here like this. All right, for the other leg you can see the projection too. All right, now the graphical presentation for the feathers, you can see from here. Okay, if we put the color, then the drawing is going to be more nice. Let's put a dark yellow color for the shape of the duck, and we are going to put from the top the head. You see, let's put a uniform color for the whole body. And we are drawing around the periphery. All right, the monochromatic appearance of the whole body of the duck making is a mature one. There may be variations in depth of the shades. In some places you can have the dark shades, and in some places you can have a light shades. All right, and the legs you can see here. For the points in the periphery, let's make it little darker to make an individual characteristics which is differentiate the outlines with the surroundings. Let's put some color to the head too, to the periphery. All right, you can see the feathers. and the other part. All right, and the beak of the duck, this is going to be brown color. Let's put some blue color around it. All right, so the drawing, this is almost done. I hope you like the video. Few steps I've left to do. We're going to make little variations in darkness. Make little darker at the bottom. Darker in one side. All right, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. You can follow the playlist and select your own choices, which part you want to learn. There are so many options. Thank you so much. As you like the video, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on, and you can do the practice again and again, and the drawing is going to be good. Thank you so much. Have a good day.